Hello friends, it's Alex with Basement Finish Pros here. After positive feedback from my wife and my niece on the previous video, check out the link right here. And since I still don't have heat at the office and I'm forced to work from home, I decided to do a couple funky basement videos. I hope you like this video, and if this costume I'm wearing makes you feel uncomfortable, then you know exactly how I feel wearing it. So yeah, let's get started. Today you are in for a treat, my friends. This is a basement that we worked on in East Granby, Connecticut. The homeowners are great people with even greater taste, or should I say expensive taste. And not just expensive taste as in spending lots of money on unnecessary things just because I can afford, so why not? This was, so to speak, strategic spending. And that's the kind of spending that I like. Figure out how to stay on budget but not compromising on the quality, finish looks and comfort. Basically getting the most for your money. And Don, the homeowner, who is also a great interior designer, was involved throughout the entire project. All the design and color matching, door choice, floor choice, staircase, pretty much everything related to design and decoration, it was picked by Dawn. She was very meticulous, and because of her interior design background, this basement looks like it would cost 2 or 3 times more than actually did. All the work was done in-house by Igor and his team. We do not subcontract, and as you can see, the quality of our work speaks for itself. In this basement we have a large gym area for the entire family and enough room for a foldable ping pong table for Paul, Don's husband, who is a big table tennis enthusiast. There's a half bathroom, an entertainment room that I'm personally jealous of, and we also have a wine room / cigar lounge with a powerful ceiling vent to take care of all the smoke in the room, so that Paul and Don can enjoy a Monte Cristo and a nice glass of wine in a romantic setting or with friends and family. Speaking of romantic settings, check out that candle wall in the wine room. Such a great feature, makes the space feel so warm and comfortable. Considering that it's only about half the entire house basement, the finished side of the basement feels very spacious because of its flowy layout, and there's still plenty of space for storage and utility area in the unfinished side. This project is a good testament to the statement that the correct layout combined with good interior design can make or break a basement remodeling project, no matter how much money you can afford to spend. We at Basement Finish Pros and the homeowners are happy with how the basement turned out. And Paul and Don, if you are watching this video, I hope you like my costume. I just wanted to say that it was a pleasure working with you, and we look forward to collaborate with Don on our future basement projects in the state of Connecticut. Thank you.